On Wednesday, the State Minister for Karamoja, Agnes Nandutu, was committed to the High Court after being arraigned before the Anti-Corruption Court and subsequently sent to remand in Luzira prison until 3rd of May. Nandutu was the fourth person to be arrested in connection with the diversion of the iron sheets meant for Karamoja. The Director of Public Prosecution, Jane Francis Abodo, has revealed that Nandutu's file was ready by the time she came to court.
We were ready to start hearing the case. So there's nothing really unique about it, apart from the fact that inquiries are 100%, and we made a decision that it should be committed to the High Court.
The DPP says the other ministers were charged but not committed immediately because investigations into their particular cases are still ongoing.
Others were not committed because we still have verification on a few things before we actually commit them. Because once you commit, we shall not have a chance of correcting.
Abodo says the scope of investigations has widened to include other beneficiaries such as churches, chief administrative officers, schools and health centers, among others.
Unless if those beneficiaries sold those iron sheets, then they will definitely be charged. Unless they sold them. But if it is taken to a church and it was a donation to a church and they roof a church, why would we charge them? They would just be aiding us, in helping us in investigations.
She added that each case will be handled separately, so more people are expected to be charged.
Why can't you bring everybody together? It is not possible to do that. When a particular file is ready for court, it comes to court. When a particular file is not ready for, and we take different prosecutorial decisions on files, basing on the evidence that will be collected.
Abodo was speaking during a press conference on the upcoming annual Prosecutors Symposium and the 6th Joan Kagezi Memorial Lecture that is scheduled to take place next week.
Because Joan's death woke us up as an office. We would always walk with our files, go to court, make all the noise, object to bail. When there's a conviction on murder, ask for the maximum. We want death with confidence, without fearing anything, and get out of court, walk away with your file. After the death of Joan, that stopped. The prosecutors get scared. They have threats every single day. And we know that those threats cannot just be threats because the criminals have upped their game. The Director of Public Prosecution, Jane Francis Abodo, says they are working with several government agencies to put in place a witness protection law. This will ensure security for witnesses, prosecutors, and sometimes defense counsels. However, it faces challenges of financial implications. Juma Kiria, NTV.